My name is Nate, last name is Burt. I live in Lehi, Utah. Been working at low VA rates for probably 11 years now as a loan officer the entire time. Because they've served our country, you know, they've done so much for us. It's not like I can go out and do the exact same they did for the country. So the part that I feel that I can give back is just helping them understand the purpose of a VA loan, right? And then also determining how it's going to help them and save them money. So over the last 11 years, I've helped hundreds of veterans and active duty members save money on their mortgages through refinances and purchases. And so if a military person isn't using their VA loan or they don't know about it, one of the main things I want to focus on is educating them on how important that loan is. The reason why I chose to work in VA loans specifically, number one, is because it seemed to be just the right fit. You have all these other mortgage companies and loan officers that just go chase after whatever is hot at the moment. VA's been so consistent ever since they created that loan that it just seemed like a good niche market to be in, because you can focus just on one particular demographic of person, an individual, and you know, you get to know that process very, very well, and it just makes it so you become very, very good at what you do. There are some challenges that arise when doing VA loans. Just like any other loan, there's underwriters and there's lenders, and they require a certain underwriting criteria, and basically what that means is you're just trying to fit this person's credit and income, like on a purchase. If someone's trying to qualify for a purchase, it's easy for them to get their VA entitlement because they just have to have served in the military and had an honorable discharge. But to actually get a loan, they have to qualify for their income and credit. And because that's probably the main source of trying to get a loan, that's what's kind of is something that they have to overcome by doing it. I love family. I've got a fairly large one, probably in what the world thinks. I've been married for 15 years, and I have 4 kids, 2 boys and 2 girls. So my oldest her name is Audrey, and she's 11 years old, and she loves dance. My second is Rylan, and he's 8, and he loves karate, and he loves to play soccer. The other 2 just really are just along for the ride because of their ages. I've got Savannah and Cameron, and they're 5 and 3. Some of my hobbies and interests consist of everything that's outdoors. My biggest thing I like to do is snowmobile. That to me is challenging. It gives you the opportunity to be outdoors. That's an interest of mine, but something else that interests me is how the market works. How trading the stock market and trading, you know, futures and stuff like that. Those things I want to learn more about and dabble a little bit more in. I've got a lot of good talents, and one of those talents is that I can take a peanut M&M and put my head back and blow on it hard, and it will elevate about 3 inches above my mouth as long as I can blow on it. So it's just a couple seconds.